The market didn't hate him. The charts didn't betray him. And the indicators weren't lying. But every single day, his account told the same story. Loss, confusion, frustration. Before the world knew his name, Mark Douglas was just another trader sitting alone in front of a screen, coffee untouched, eyes fixed on moving candles, heart reacting to every tick. He believed what every beginner believes. If I study enough, if I learn enough setups, if I become smarter than the market, one day, I'll win. And the truth was, Mark was smart. He understood charts. He could read price action. Many times, his analysis was right. Yet somehow, the money never stayed. When a trade went into profit, his chest tightened. What if it reverses? So he exited early. When a trade went into loss, his mind whispered hope. It'll come back. So he held longer, slowly, quietly. Rules stopped being rules. Stop losses moved. Targets changed. Discipline faded. And every evening ended the same way. Charts closed. Account red. Mind exhausted. That's when Mark noticed something disturbing. The pain didn't come from the market. It came after he entered the trade. One night, after another session that felt heavier than usual, Mark leaned back in his chair and asked a question most traders never ask. If my analysis is often correct, why do I still sabotage myself? That question was dangerous because it removed the market from the blame. For the first time, Mark didn't look for a new strategy. He looked inward. What he discovered was uncomfortable. The market was uncertain by nature, but his mind demanded certainty. Mark realized something crucial. Fear doesn't come from losses. Fear comes from expecting certainty in an uncertain environment. This is where Mark Douglas made his breakthrough. Trading is not about predicting the future. It is about managing randomness. Mark introduced a simple but powerful idea. Think in probabilities, not predictions, not certainties. Probabilities. You don't need to know what will happen next. You only need to know how much you're willing to lose, where you're wrong, and whether you'll follow your rules. Everything else, is noise. Mark Douglas once said, anything can happen. Not as a warning, but as freedom. Because once you truly accept that truth, you stop fighting the market and start mastering yourself. The market was never the enemy. It was never personal. The real battle was always here, in the mind. Pro tip for your video. When you put this into an AI voice generator, look for a voice setting usually called storyteller, deep narration, or Marcus. These usually work best for this type of dark trading psychology content.